In order to enable or disable mobile data warning on OPPO Find X9, first of all, we need to go to settings. Now, over here in settings, we're gonna go to mobile network, and then in here we want to choose the data usage option. Now, in here we should be able to find the data usage limit, and when we have the limit enabled, let's turn it on. Then over here we can send alerts over here. We can also choose how much data we want to use per month. So let's say I'm gonna set it to 5 GB. Let's press done, and there we go. Over here we can also choose when we should start calculating. We can also set up the daily data usage, of course. And yeah, so alerts can be adjusted over here in the data limit itself. And of course, here we can also choose when we want to be notified about it. So we can set it to certain percentage over here. And if you want to completely disable these alerts, then unfortunately you would have to disable the limit completely. There's also data saving, but this doesn't really send any warnings. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.